Bitdefender's tips: fix browsing slowdown on your Mac. The main causes of browsing slowdowns on your Mac are toolbars, different add-ons and plugins, adware and spyware, and multiple security solutions. To deal with such slowdowns, follow the steps detailed below. 1. Reset your browser. Depending on the browser you use, the following articles might help you: instructions for Safari users, instructions for Chrome users, instructions for Firefox users. Note: check for any other extensions that monitor the traffic from other security solutions or standalone, and remove them. 2. Make sure you have the latest version of Traffic Light installed. To do this, you will have to uninstall, then reinstall the extension. How to remove Traffic Light from your browser. Note: check if there is any difference in browsing speed after you uninstall Traffic Light. How to install Bitdefender Traffic Light. Should the slowdown persist after following the steps from above, open a ticket or reply to the one you already opened, and tell us if the issue occurs on every website you access or only on certain websites, e.g. Yahoo.